Welcome to KB Bioorganics, where nature's bounty meets cutting-edge technology. In this industrial journey, we'll explore the meticulous process of transforming neem seeds from South India into high-purity Azadirachtin through rigorous quality checks and advanced methods. Our story begins in the lush groves of South India, where local farmers handpick the finest neem seeds. Sustainably harvested, these seeds are the foundation of our Azadirachtin. Before anything else, each batch of neem seeds undergoes a stringent quality check. We ensure only the highest quality seeds make their way into our production. Our state-of-the-art laboratory employs high-performance liquid chromatography, that is HPLC, to analyze the raw material's composition. This advanced technique guarantees the purity of the neem seed extract we use. Once the quality is assured, the neem seed's kernels go through a meticulous extraction process. Our cutting-edge technology ensures the isolation of Azadirachtin with precision and efficiency. The result? Pure Azadirachtin crystals, ready to be transformed into a potent, natural insecticide. Moving forward, where Azadirachtin crystals are skillfully processed into a fine powder. This form allows for easy application and enhanced efficacy in pest control. Quality is paramount in every step. Our laboratory conducts rigorous tests on the Azadirachtin powder, ensuring it meets and exceeds industry standards. Thank you for joining us on this industrial exploration. If you value quality, sustainability, and the power of nature in pest control, choose KB Bioorganics.